All right, good morning, everybody. Bello and we just got yesterday, and I was so excited. I want to thank all the guys over at Micro Pro Fishing, MPF. Check out their YouTube page. I'll put a link below. Anyway, I won their giveaway last month, and it's awesome. And I want to thank them a lot. So Bello, he likes to climb up here and cuddle. This is my Norwegian forest cat, and he's extreme. If you ever want a cat, this is the cat to get. You got to have a lot of time for it. And I got 3 kids, so. But Bello, he's quite the affectionate one. So let's get to this unboxing of this great prize. So I was so excited yesterday I did unbox it. But this is it. This is the beginning of it. The Mondo kit, BiggunsXL. So, let's check it out. Dun, dun, dun. Box in a box in a box. So, they did add a few things in here for me. I gotta go fishing with these guys. They just live in the state above me in Washington, so we'll meet halfway. Hopefully we'll do that this year. So, let's look at some of the things that are like extra that they put in here. One is a microfiber Neko. I do not have one of these. My son does, but I don't. So, Bello, I think, is just going to be sitting here until he gets tired. Microfiber. Look at this, Bello. Ooh, Googan. It's a Googan squad one. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! It's really long. Never owned one of these. So thank you. Also, I got some Excite worms. This is high floaters. With a little curly tail on them. I don't know how many's in here. Was it 2, 6, 8, 10 of them? And it looks like green pumpkin with some fleck. Awesome. Doomsday tackle. Creature baits. Cinnamon mint. Mwah. Cinnamon mint. Creature baits. Ooh, a couple stickers. These guys went crazy with 6 gill this year, so they sent me one of their stickers. And very appropriate sticker. This is like going to go on the kayak. Awesome. Alright, what else is in here? Okay. We have a Googan Squad fanny pack. Fanny pack, look. Yeah. It's a fanny pack. Smell? No. Well, it doesn't fit on your fanny. Okay. Now, if your fish don't know what to do, Googan's been polite enough to give them instructions. So this is one of their poppin' filthy frogs, which is awesome. And it tells the fish to eat me. Eat me. So, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I've never owned a Googan bait. So this is all awesome. Okay, the Recon. This is really cool looking. This is their, I don't know what they call it. Recon, I guess. Chartreuse and purple. So, now these guys, I think, yeah, 8 to 12 feet. They actually put on the bottom of their baits their dive range, which is awesome. I mean, I memorized 6 Sense, but I don't know anything about Googan. So, very cool. What do you think? What do you think of that? Can you read? You say, what's that say? Nope. It doesn't work on cats. So forget about catfishing. Okay, a chatterbait, what they call a clickbait. This is almost a bluegill color. 3/8 of an ounce. Sexy shad, they call it. Sexy shad. Very nice. Get my shot tomorrow. That's good. Look at that. You don't like this one. Bello don't like this one. But this is a lipless crank mini clutch. Very cool. A craw color. That looks great. Look at that. Look at that. Nice lipless crank. These little ones start the bite. Awesome. Okay. Oh, this one's cool looking. Grande banger. 3 to 7 feet. Look at that. Very cool. What do you think? What do you think? Bello is unimpressed. I am, though. Okay, you can't go wrong with a jerkbait. So this one's 3 to 5 foot. Junior Scout. I love my hard baits. Oh, here we go. Flipping jig. Just got a flipping pole. Very cool. What's that? Half ounce. Half ounce. And last but not least, almost last, I've always wanted to try bandito bugs. Okay, here you go. Okay, he's off. Bandito bugs. This is in blue baby. Blue baby. Doesn't look blue. I guess they are blue. Let's open it up. I've always wanted to order these. Almost did. Would have got me in more trouble. Is it blue? I don't know. I must be going colorblind. Looks green pumpkin to me. I hope you guys see blue in there? Might have some blue flecks. I don't know. I don't see blue. I think this is an anise scent. No, something else. Open, sniff, catch. Gotta follow the instructions. Open it, sniff it, and you'll catch something. But yeah, they're scented. And then, of course, another sticker. Ah. So, oh my goodness. I can't. Oh. Let's see. Let's take the keyboard down. Thank you, MPF. Thank you. Let's put this down. Okay. Let's see if we can arrange these in a way that y'all can see it. This oh wow. I can just say wow. Wow. Alright. I love that sticker. This is a great sticker. Alright, there. More stickers. And look at that. Look at that. That's awesome. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, and fanny pack. So a dozen things. Wow. Not counting stickers. Which, you count stickers because they cost. So that's 15. So, voila. Which one is your favorite? Which one have you caught stuff on? I don't know, because I've never used Googan before in my life. I really think the Bandito bugs are going to work really well. That lipless jerk is going to work really well. Of course, any kind of jerk bait like this is going to catch them. So, the frog, poppin' frog too. So a poppin' frog has a sort of a cup at the very start of it on its nose. And no, don't cut myself. So pack them really good. It's pretty soft. It's a medium soft. So really nice trail on it. Look at that big old cup on it. Look at that. Let's see if I try. Look at that. I think it's just going to splash. So you pull this, it's going to splash. Alright. That'll actually probably work really good come spring. It snowed yesterday, it hailed yesterday, it rained yesterday, and it was sunny yesterday. We got like everything yesterday. So, let's go fishing tomorrow after I get my shot. So, anyway, very cool. Boop. Come back up. MPF, thank you. I look forward to fishing with you guys. You guys look like a fun bunch. Everybody go to the link below. Go to the MPF. Please subscribe to their channel. And who knows, you might just get something as crazy giveaway as something like this. I mean, this is a crazy giveaway. And I appreciate it because I've never owned Googan before. I've been wanting to try them. And Googan is really big at having all these ambassadors out there. You know, Googan Squad. Just like that. So a lot of people fish Googan. And they get great results, especially I hear a lot of good things with the Bandito bug. So we're going to give that a shot. So thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe and like below. Keep my channel going. I have a good time making these videos with you. And at 300, we're going to give you another really nice giveaway. So I want to thank MPF one more time. And wish you guys and everybody out there tight lines and happy fishing. So take care, everybody.